Life evolution theory. The evolution from the beginning. The theory of evolution is a scientific explanation for how all living things on Earth have developed over time. The theory is based on the idea that all life forms share a common ancestor and that species change over time through natural selection and genetic variation. The following is a brief explanation of the evolution of life on Earth. Approximately 4.6 billion years ago, the Earth formed. It was a hot, molten planet that slowly cooled over time. After about 500 million years, the first signs of life appeared on Earth in the form of single-celled organisms. These simple life forms are believed to have evolved in the Earth's oceans, where they could take advantage of the nutrient-rich waters. Over time, these simple life forms evolved and became more complex. Eventually, multicellular organisms emerged, such as algae and sponges. About 500 million years ago, during the Cambrian period, a burst of diversification occurred, resulting in the evolution of a wide range of new species, including the first fish, arthropods, and trilobites. Throughout the following eras, species continued to evolve and diversify. The first amphibians appeared about 350 million years ago, followed by reptiles about 300 million years ago. The age of the dinosaurs began about 230 million years ago and lasted for about 165 million years until the extinction event that wiped them out about 65 million years ago. After the extinction of the dinosaurs, mammals began to thrive and diversify. About 7 million years ago, the first hominids, our ancestors, appeared in Africa. These early human-like creatures evolved and adapted to their environment, eventually leading to the emergence of modern humans about 200,000 years ago. In conclusion, the theory of evolution explains how all life on Earth has changed and diversified over time. It is a complex and ongoing process that has resulted in the vast diversity of species that exist today. What is single-celled organism? Single-celled organisms, also known as unicellular organisms, are living things that are composed of only one cell. They are the simplest and most basic form of life, and they are found in almost every environment on Earth. Examples of single-celled organisms include bacteria, archaea, protists, and some types of fungi. Despite their small size and simplicity, these organisms can carry out a wide range of functions, such as reproduction, movement, and responding to environmental stimuli. Single-celled organisms have a variety of shapes and structures, depending on their type and environment. Some are spherical, some are rod-shaped, and others are spiral. They may have flagella or cilia to help them move, or they may be stationary. Single-celled organisms are important in many ways. They play important roles in nutrient cycling, food chains, and ecosystems. They are also used in research and biotechnology, such as in genetic engineering and the production of antibiotics. What is multicellular organisms? Multicellular organisms are living things that are composed of many cells. Unlike unicellular organisms, which are made up of just one cell, multicellular organisms have specialized cells that work together to form tissues, organs, and organ systems. Examples of multicellular organisms include animals, plants, and fungi. In these organisms, the different types of cells have specific functions that contribute to the overall survival and functioning of the organism. For example, in humans, nerve cells transmit signals throughout the body, muscle cells allow movement, and blood cells carry oxygen to tissues. Multicellularity is thought to have arisen early in the history of life on Earth, around 600 million years ago. This allowed for more complex and specialized organisms to evolve, leading to the diversity of life that we see today.